We came up with the idea just thinking about the craziest thing that we could do, and we kept coming back to how do we take the experience from the box out on the road, and how could we potentially fit the sound system that's in here into a car, to take this box sound system and put it in the back of the Nissan Juke.
The amazing thing about Le Mans is, one, that around 250,000 people go to watch it every year, but secondly, it is just one long party over the whole weekend. We literally turned up with the two cars, opened the boots up, got the DJ going, and it was like creating an instant party. It was an amazing feeling.
It was literally more awesome than you could ever think. Those two Juke cars kitted with some big old stinky speakers and the perfect DJ set up for us, and we knew we were going to rock it, and yeah, it was heavy.
Just the energy of that moment, everyone just losing their mind but kind of on the same groove of just let's just do this and have a party.
Someone tells you that we've got speakers built into a car, you're automatically thinking there's going to be like a 12-inch subwoofer in the back of a boot, and it wasn't. It wasn't at all. It was awesome to look at.